Hi everyone. Today I thought I'll make a video on weight loss tips. So these tips are the ones which I follow in my daily routine. So I thought I'll make that as a video. So I don't do the video which I don't follow. So this video is purely what I follow in my daily routine. So first thing I'll say, for the first tip, what I consider for the weight loss is that try to avoid sugar. So like avoiding sugar is difficult if you are more used to sugar. So try to have an habit of avoiding sugar, like little by little. Like if you are a sweet tongued person, trying to have a sugar on daily basis, try to have the sugar 2 days once, 3 days once. That is a fact. Like anything, if you follow for 21 days, you'll be used to it, so you'll like to follow that habit. So try to avoid sugar because it's full of dirty carbohydrates and it's not healthy in any ways. So, and suppose if you cannot avoid sugar, try to have jaggery. Try to have replace sugar with jaggery. So that is the one thing. And second thing is that, like try to avoid eating junk food. So because junk food, like, it's again it doesn't have good fat in it, and it has a dirty carbohydrate in it. So try to avoid junk food because we don't know what oil they use outside. Like they might be using the used oil again and again. So try to avoid junk food. And third thing is that whatever food you have, try to have it as a home food. Try to cook it in the home and have it in the home. It's not necessary like having the food outside will be tastier. Even we can make the tastier food in the home. Okay, only one thing is that, like, when you have the food outside, you'll have an outlet. Like for outlet, we can find there are many other options for getting an outlet. So that is the other thing. And fourth thing is that try to have 8 glass of water every day. So because having 8 glass of water keeps you hydrated and helps to increase your metabolism. That is the fourth thing I'll say. And the fifth thing is that try to have 8 hours of sleep. If you don't have 8 hours of sleep, then you'll not have you'll face a lot of health issues. Like there will be increase in weight, and your health will get spoiled, all those things. And another tip is that, like, try to reduce your stress level, because when you get stressed out, what happens is that, like, the stress hormone will release the high level of sugar into your blood, which is not good. And thus this high level of sugar converts into fat, and it will store as a fat in your body. Particularly, it will store as a belly fat. Okay, so try to avoid stress. Try to find a way to avoid stress. Okay, even if there will be a scenario, like we'll have a stressful scenario in your life, try to find a way where we can avoid, like what is the outlet, and what are the things we can do when we go through a stressful scenario. That is the other thing. And have a other thing is that, like, have a portion control, food portion control. Like don't try to have a bigger meal at a time. So try to have small meal at frequent interval. So that is the one thing we can follow. And, like, in every meal, try to include protein, because when you include protein, right, you'll feel filled. Okay, you'll not crave for food. Okay, and you'll not feel like having food again and again. So try to have protein. So each meal, try to have, like, your at least 40% of your food should be with protein. So that is the other thing. And try to have complex carbohydrates instead of simple carbohydrates, because simple carbohydrates, it gets digested easily and it is not healthy. And you'll feel hunger again and again, and you'll try to have something, and you'll have more quantity also. So when you go for complex carbohydrate, you'll have it, like, you'll feel filled. And so you'll not crave for food. That is the other thing. So including protein and complex carbohydrate in your diet or food, it makes you feel fuller. So try to add these two things in your diet. And other thing, like, whenever whenever we speak about weight loss, it all depends upon the calorie intake. So each person has different calories. Like for example, to run for me in a particular day, for example, I might take like 1600 calories, and the other person might take 1800 calories. It all depends on their height, weight, and everything. So try to know what is your calorie intake for a particular day. So try to reduce. Suppose in case I have I can, for me it's 1600 calories per day. So what I have to do, right, if I want to reduce the weight without exercise or diet, what I can do, right, like I can reduce it to 1400 calories. So in a month I will reduce like 2 to 3 kgs in a month. So don't go for crash diet or anything. So like having like 900 calories and 1000 calories, that is a really healthy, not a healthy way of weight loss. So try to lose the weight in a healthy way. Okay, so try to find out how much calorie your body needs. Okay, and try to work accordingly. Okay, that is the another thing we can consider. And what other things I want to say? So these are the things I want to share it with you. So it's not like following these tips and following these things and all, we are not in, we are not enjoying our life. It's not that way. Like enjoy your food, enjoy your journey, like in a healthy way. Like have one day in a week as a cheat meal, and try to have whatever you wish to, but with a limit. Okay, so that way you'll be healthy. So already we are in an environment like lot of healthy stuffs and lot of healthy things are happening. Sorry, unhealthy things are happening, unhealthy stuffs are there. So at least we'll try to make our lifestyle healthy. So that is my point. So thanks. I'll come up with another video. Bye.